City council members are questioning why some people waited days for a plow to clear their streets. Leaders say the next time a winter storm hits, the city needs to be more prepared. WCPO 9 News reporter Sam Harrell-Simowitz shows us the solutions that staff hope will fix the problems.
Residents here in Cincinnati still wonder why it took days for plows to get to their streets when that winter storm hit.
I don't think we really got any big trucks up here until the day after it happened, and even then it was still pretty slushy up until, I don't know, maybe that Wednesday or Thursday.
The city of Cincinnati says responding to winter weather events will get better.
So we will have an adaptive citywide staffing plan as we move forward.
City leaders say they're addressing staffing, managing resources, including their fleet, updating technology, and improving communication. Council members all agreed that what happened 3 weeks ago can't happen again.
So we're in a cycle that we look for solutions and then we forget them.
But at a system level, there was a breakdown. This did not work how it should have.
We came up short.
Staff had to push through 12-hour shifts to respond to the snow. Council members asked why so many residents had to wait days for help.
Did you have a real understanding of which streets were plowed, which ones were not, and how you were going to resolve that?
We had an understanding that as the temperature dropped, we had to, work twice as hard to, clear streets. So it probably took, a lot longer than people would have liked.
And questions if there are gaps in the routes assigned to drivers.
Is every street covered in a route?
I think from a technology standpoint, that's what we want to make sure. So that's the goal. And the fact that we don't know that answer to be sure right now is what we're going to work to.
For Council Member Seth Walsh, he says the work to improve is just beginning.
It's a matter of not letting those answers just go away and say, all right, well, we got the first round of questions. Today was the opening.
In Cincinnati, Sam Harrell-Simowitz, WCPO 9 News.